what's up producers? In this Ableton tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record MIDI clips with your Maschine MK3 controller and hit the right notes every time using Ableton Spectrum. While it might seem like you're hitting the right notes when all the pads are mapped to a scale, this could be misleading, and it's important to remember that not all the samples are recorded in the same key. This method will significantly speed up your workflow because after exporting your MIDI clips, you'll find that creating new arrangements for fresh tracks is as simple as swapping the samples in your Maschine controller. Have a listen at the scenes you'll be able to create after this tutorial. Don't forget to click the link in the description to download this handy template and the kick samples from my website. If you find this content useful, please hit the like button to show your support, and I'd like to hear about the challenges you face when creating your own tracks, so please share your experiences in the comments below. Now let's dive in. I've pinpointed 10 distinct scenes in my reference track, providing me with a clear roadmap of what needs to be done, and with this visual from start to finish, I'm set to begin work on the first scene, kicking off with the fast hi-hats. My track is in G minor, same as my reference mix. If you press keyboard on your Maschine controller, you'll see that all the keys in the G minor scale have been mapped to the pads, and I want two notes for my fast hats, D3 and G3. Now let's create that MIDI clip. Load your hat sample onto pad 1. In this tutorial, I'll be using the closed hi-hat slippery toe, a standout sample from the Native Instruments Dark Pressure sample pack. On your Maschine MK3 controller, press keyboard, fix velocity, hold down, not repeat, and enable ARP, lock, and hold. I'll share my screen so you have all the settings. Tap both D3 and G3 at the same time, and open Ableton Spectrum Analyzer to verify if the notes being played are accurate. That sequence is a semitone too high, and I need to fine-tune it in Maschine. Due to the routing configuration between Ableton and Maschine, it's crucial to create a new MIDI clip in an empty scene. This step prevents Maschine from recording the MIDI signal coming from Ableton. Now let's record. Now drag and drop, and remember to delete the MIDI clips in Maschine to avoid overlapping. I only need one bar here, so I'll delete all these notes. The final step is to ensure my scene plays correctly. All good. Both the open hat in scene 2 and the right in scene 3 are in G. Now it's your turn to create new MIDI clips. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments section. In my upcoming video, we'll see how to record automations for your intros, breaks, and transitions. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more EDM tips and tutorials on electronic music production.